Come with 4 PCs quality H11 adapter, bulbs not including. Fit to voltage 12 volts to 24 volts high efficient copper wiring with female connector perfect for the fog lights and headlights. Compatible bulbs: H8, H9, H11, 880/881, H27. Material as ABS plus copper wire, heavy duty, high efficient, heat resistant. Easy installation. No other parts needed, just plug and play. Top reviews from the United States. Works. Good value and fixed the problem with the 2011 Suburban. Cut, strip, and solder for best results.